Hi kids! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're drawing something super fun, a colorful staircase. Grab your marker and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's begin by drawing the top step of the staircase with 3 rectangles, one inside the other. Now repeat this process to create a total of 5 steps.
La da 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 dee.
See how the stairs are forming? Great job! At the top of the staircase, draw a long rectangle to make the base. Next, draw the railings. On both sides of the stairs, draw 2 straight vertical lines. Then connect them at the top to complete the railing.
La da 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 dee.
Wow! Now it's starting to look like a real staircase. Our drawing is almost done. Use your marker to make the outline bold and sharp. This will make your staircase artwork really stand out. Look! It's working perfectly.
Yay!
Now comes the best part, coloring. Let's make it a rainbow staircase. Pick your colors and let's begin. Red color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color.
La da 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 dee.
Look how beautiful it is. Amazing work, everyone. You've just drawn and colored a staircase. Doesn't it look incredible? Keep practicing and don't forget to share your artwork with us. Thanks for drawing with Toddlers Art Hub. See you next time. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.